It's one of them days today. I just don't know what it is. Can't shake it off. It's no point moaning, because nobody listens. I'm just telling you guys, I just updating my subscribers. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. But it's one of them days, unfortunately, that people with similar conditions to myself suffer with, and it's just one of them days. So shake yourself and get out of it. It's not easy, but it's not hard either. So just get out of it, because if I can, you can. Anyone can. So God bless you all, and I hope you have a happy rest of the day, and look forward to the weekend ahead, and see you all soon.